Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to get a ticket in My Movie game in Roblox. So guys, there are few ways to get free tickets in my movie games in Roblox. So first of all, this game gives you a daily, if you log in daily on this game, you will get 100 tickets on logging daily. So I got 100 tickets today for login, and you can see that if you want to get more tickets, you can purchase it. You can get 500 tickets for 25 Robux, 2000 tickets for 89 Robux, 10,000 tickets for the 400 Robux. So you can purchase tickets from here. But if you want free, then you can easily earn that, or you can get those tickets by login daily. And so by the end of 5 days you will have 500 tickets, and that will be enough to watch a movie in this game. So and other way is you can get a ticket from your friend. If someone who has already purchased a movie ticket pass, they can give you a ticket to use. So movie ticket basically, this is a game pass that you can purchase from a Roblox catalog. It costs around 100 Robux and allow you to watch any movie in the game without having to pay for a ticket each time. So it is like a pass. You don't have to pay every time to watch any movie in this game. And one more way to get the tickets in my movie game is to win a ticket in a giveaway. Sometime a developer of My Movie Roblox game will hold a giveaway for the free tickets. So if you can keep eye on in their social media pages and or the Roblox forum to see if they are hosting any giveaway. So if there is a chance to get tickets in a giveaway, don't miss out. And so these are the way you can get free tickets in the My Movie game in Roblox. Hope you understood. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And if you want to know how to purchase a movie ticket pass, it is only 400 Robux. So you can buy a movie pass. You can buy the movie pass from the Roblox catalog. You have to search for movie ticket pass, and there will be the buy button to purchase, and you have to use 100 Robux to buy this. Once you have purchased, you will be able to watch any movie in the theater without having to pay for the ticket each time. So to watch a movie, go out to the movie theater and talk to ticket booth attendant, and they will scan your ticket and let you into the theater. So yeah, hope you like it, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you don't want to spend Robux on movie ticket, you can try out to get ticket from your friend. Fine. Thanks for watching.